Alright guys, another POV driving for the channel. Today it is chest day. Didn't forget anything, or at least I hope so. At least I hope have everything, which I'm actually gonna check something real quick. So today it is chest day. I have been actually very lazy. I bought the Call of Duty Black Ops 6. I used to play Call of Duty like 10 years ago, 8 years ago. I used to play on PS3. And I used to play a lot, and I used to love it, you know. And now I play Warzone. I have been playing Warzone and Fortnite like always. But to be honest, you know, I wanted to play like multiplayer and play it like Nuketown, and you know, have that like different type of gaming in there, because Warzone is very different. You know, even Rebirth, that you go and you have time to kind of like, if you die you can revive and kill more people. But you know, I try to buy something that kind of like make me happy, or make me remember those times. So you know, it's something that I do for, you know, to waste a little bit of time when I don't have anything to do, or even it makes me actually it makes me think ideas of videos to think. It makes me think. It makes me go away. It kind of like silence everything else. And even though I get mad sometimes, even though like that, and I'm video gaming, like gaming, it makes me smile. It makes me kind of chill for a minute, you know, before getting to work. So today I woke up late. I actually play a little bit of video games yesterday. At the same time I was watching a movie, and at the same time I was editing videos and posting videos, which I have 3 videos ready already. Well, actually 2. And then I am recording this one, and I'm recording on the gym today. Then I have to go back to the desk, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and sit in there, edit those videos, get those ready and post them, upload them, and then keep posting and see if I can find something to talk about on my board, on my whiteboard, and to do content this week, which this week is supposed to be good. This is my last week here, United States, for my trip to Dominican. So I'll be on Dominican for a while. Well, actually just a week, but it's gonna be great. I need a vacation, and I'm gonna do content in there as well. So yeah, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. Not gonna lie, I really enjoyed the summer. My classes are about to start in August, now in the final part of August. Not gonna lie, I did a lot of stuff in my room. I did buy a lot of stuff, PC, cameras like GoPro, professional camera, new iPhone, acoustic panels, a lot of stuff in my room, which I'm very proud of. All the work that I did on my room. So yeah, damn, that's an X8. I don't think I have seen one that close before. It looks kind of cool, but I don't really like the back. Maybe the front is cool. So yeah, we're going to the gym, see how it goes today. It is chest day. I'm supposed to be fine. I mean, I feel fine. I ate like 3 hours ago, and I drank a little bit of chocolate milk, and on top of that, ate granola and mandarin. So I have energy on it, on my body, so I should be good. So I should be more than enough. It should be more than enough to actually lift heavy today. Water, I'm not that good on water today, so let me see if I can actually drink this one. I'm supposed to put gas today, but I didn't. So what I'm gonna do is actually go to Costco tomorrow and get some cottage cheese and get gas. I have 65 miles left, so should be fine, right? So it is a rainy day today. Well, it has been raining this whole week, which is cool, because hot is going away. Kind of like it's hot, but anyways feels kind of better because it's raining. God, I'm not gonna lie, I feel way like I feel very sore on my back and very sore on my muscles. I don't know if I have been sleeping that much. I think I need to sleep more hours. Well, this week I'm gonna have to sleep a lot, and then next week, the following week on my vacation, I'm supposed to have a nice sleep schedule. So I'm gonna take advantage of that, because after that, class is gonna come. So for you guys that do a lot of things, like someone like me, that you have classes, work, side hustles, workout, and do a lot of things at the same time, you know, you gotta always need to sleep. Don't ever forget about sleep, because sometimes we might think that we are like young and we don't need to sleep, but then we realize how much more we do when we sleep. It's like I've realized how much weight I do more when I sleep than when I don't. When I don't sleep, it's like I go to work and I'm more stressed. I'm always stressed, but you know, I'm more stressed. I'm more likely to get mad faster, you know, to not wanting to work, not wanting to do anything, because sleep is kind of like, you know. So I would recommend to really take sleep seriously, and your supplements. I've been taking my supplements really seriously. The only thing I have been lacking is actually magnesium. I'm out of magnesium. And then I have vitamin C, but I haven't been taking it. I've been forgetting. So I gotta get magnesium, and I gotta take my vitamin C, which is very important to me. So, yep. So yeah, we got a chest day, which should be good. Should be way good than the other times. Tomorrow I gotta do cardio in the morning and workout as well. So we're hitting this workout at 5:50. Not into working out late today, because I want to edit videos. I want to get some stuff ready. So let's get this done. It's overtaking here. Speeding here. We are kind of close. Right. Well, Sundays usually there's just 2 people. There's always a girl, and then 2 or 3 guys. That's the usual. I haven't showered today. That's disgusting. Well, actually I showered yesterday, like at 1 in the morning or something like that. Nah, it was actually 12 in the morning. Yeah, I gotta shower as soon as I get home, unless I get to work and something. And then after I work on that, I shower. But I gotta make some dinner too. I wanna make some eggs. Maybe some eggs and tuna. And some bread. Yeah, I maybe do like a little sandwich, tuna sandwich, and some eggs. So alright. So we're gonna start a workout now, and from there we're going to go ahead and go home. I'm gonna leave the gas for another day. Well, actually, there's nobody here. It's one person. The girl that I always see her with a blue car. It's not here. All right, so let me get to work. All right, done with the workout. It's a nice workout. Not gonna lie. We got 2 videos now, which is gonna be this one and the other one, which I've realized on my channel have been really been focusing more on gym and POV driving, which is good. It's very consistent, but I want to do financial content too. I don't know why I haven't been doing that kind of content. So let's see how it goes. Gotta drive home now. Still early, 7 o'clock. I don't feel like eating dinner right now, so what I'm gonna do is go to the computer now. Let me actually send this message. So we're gonna get here. Pretty good workout, not gonna lie. Pretty good chest, pretty good pump. It was very, very, very good. Feel very, very happy about that workout. Not gonna lie. I don't know why these two cars are going too slow. Like, really slow. God dang. They are going really slow. Like, really slow. Dang. Alright. I hear like an ambulance or like police somewhere. I don't know where, but I hear some. Alright, can I get green? Please, thank you. Oh yeah, I hear it. I hear the police or ambulance in this area. I think I'm getting closer to it, to be honest. Oh no, it was behind me. I just saw police. It was police. So yeah, pretty good. I'm gonna get started to edit, and then I'm actually very like happy with my PC because I have a couple of games that I have been playing from the past. I used to be a gamer. I used to play a lot of hours, and it used to be like just like to play, but now it's like it really taking my stress out. It really makes me kind of like silence everything else, all the responsibilities I have, and just focus on the game, play a little bit, smile, play with my friends. It's kind of cool, you know. So, and when I'm like not doing anything, and you know I have something to do, and when my girl is not here, I have something to do. So, you know, it's really exciting for me, to be honest. Right. Looks like they are building something in here. I mean, there's plenty of space to make apartments in here, to be honest, which I don't know if they can. I think there's an airport in there, like a private airport, so I'm not really sure if they can actually build, but there's plenty of space in there. I don't know how they have it take that space. There's plenty of space for a lot of apartments, even houses. hope you guys are fine. I hope you guys are working towards the things you guys want to do in your life. I hope you guys are not giving up. And if you guys are in the place where you're feeling like giving up, where you're feeling like you can't do more, just remember where you were a year ago, 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Just remember yourself where you were, how much you have accomplished, and how much you have left. So don't ever give up. Don't ever give up on your dreams. Don't ever give up on the things that you want to do in your life. Don't ever give up. You know, I've never give up. I'm always learning. You know, there's things that you try and you realize that that's not your thing. You just move on to something else. You invest in something else. It's like, let's say you invest in companies, you fail at one company, that you stop investing at that company doesn't mean that you gave up, because you're gonna invest in some other places. You're gonna work in another companies. You're gonna research for investing your money in other companies. So it doesn't mean give up. Move on into some other type of things. So, you know, keep working, and all the success, all the things that you are wanting in your life, they're going to come. Eventually they will come to you. Just give it some time and you will have it. So now we're going home. I'm literally here already. So now I'm just gonna sit on the computer. I'm gonna put some music and chill, work a little bit, and you know,
voy a entrar un poquito acá. Bueno, no creo que entre ahora realmente ya. Ahora estoy comprando una vaina a Katie. Después voy para allá, por la casa de Ivonne. Voy a comprar pizza, que van y vaina. La primera vez entro más tarde en la noche.
all right. Just for it. God dang. Let's get to work now. Let's put some music. Let's edit some videos. Let's post some stuff. Let's get some stuff ready, and then let's chill and eat some dinner. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna work now. I'm gonna upload some stuff. I'm gonna post some stuff. I'm gonna get some stuff ready, and then I'm gonna shower, eat something, and chill for the night. For tomorrow I got work, so I want to rest. So alright, so I'll see you guys in the next video.